Holistic wellness isn't a fad. It's a philosophy with a rich history and a growing relevance in today's world. By embracing its principles, you can empower yourself to cultivate a sense of well-being that goes far beyond the physical. So let's get to it, and be sure and stick around for some tips on how to find the perfect wellness coach. Holistic wellness might seem like a trendy new concept, but its roots actually reach far back in history. Many ancient cultures around the world practiced holistic principles long before the term was even coined. Traditional Chinese medicine, Ayurveda from India, and indigenous healing practices all emphasize the interconnectedness of mind, body, and spirit in achieving well-being. The 19th and early 20th centuries saw a shift toward a more reductionist approach to health in Western medicine. The focus was on isolating and treating specific diseases. While this approach has led to significant advancements, it sometimes overlooks the whole person. In the mid-20th century, a new wave of thought emerged that challenged the limitations of traditional Western medicine. Pioneering figures like Abraham Maslow and other leading holistic doctors emphasized the importance of mental, emotional, and social factors in health. Today, holistic wellness has gained widespread popularity. People are looking for ways to increase their well-being beyond just the physical. Integrative medicine, which combines traditional and complementary therapies, is a growing field. And holistic wellness practices like yoga, meditation, and mindfulness are now mainstream. There are several reasons why holistic wellness is resonating with so many people today. Holistic practices emphasize preventative measures and healthy habits to avoid illnesses in the first place. A holistic approach puts you in charge of your own well-being, encouraging you to take an active role in your health journey. Modern life can be stressful and demanding. Holistic practices offers tools to manage this stress, improve mental well-being, and cultivate a sense of purpose. Imagine yourself as a magnificent temple. Holistic wellness focuses on strengthening each pillar that supports your well-being. Physical health includes maintaining a healthy diet, getting enough sleep, and engaging in regular exercise. A healthy mind is a happy mind. Mental and emotional health involves managing stress, developing emotional intelligence, practicing gratitude, cultivating positive emotions, nurturing a sense of purpose, and engaging in activities that bring you joy. Humans are social creatures. Strong connections are vital for a sense of belonging and support. Social wellness includes nurturing relationships with loved ones and feeling connected to your community. Work should not be a drain on your well-being. Finding fulfillment and purpose in your work is vital. It includes factors like work-life balance and job satisfaction. Spiritual wellness is about connecting with something larger than yourself, which can bring peace and purpose. It can involve religious beliefs, a connection to nature, mindfulness, and a sense of purpose in life. The beauty of holistic wellness lies in its adaptability. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. The key is to explore practices that resonate with you and create a personalized plan for your unique needs and preferences. Be patient, celebrate your progress, and be kind to yourself. There will be setbacks along the way, and if that happens, don't beat yourself up. Just recommit to your goals and move forward. If you run into a major roadblock, don't be afraid to ask for help from friends, family, therapists, or other wellness professionals. Holistic medicine is a broad field. It's important to be discerning and choose practitioners who align with your values and goals. Here are some tips to help you get the right fit. What do you want to focus on? Stress management, improved sleep, pain relief, or overall vitality? Having a clear goal will help you narrow down your search for the right practitioner. Holistic doctors are medical professionals trained in both traditional medicine and complementary therapies. They can provide a more integrated approach to your care. Look for practitioners who are board certified in fields like naturopathic medicine or osteopathic medicine. Complementary and alternative medicine is a broad category that includes practitioners like acupuncturists, massage therapists, herbalists, and chiropractors. If you're feeling lost on your wellness journey, a wellness coach can be your guide. These trained professionals partner with you to help you define your goals, provide motivation and support, and create a personalized plan that fits your lifestyle. Look for coaches with certifications from organizations like the NBHWC. This stands for the National Board for Health and Wellness Coaching. And don't hesitate to schedule consultations to find the perfect fit. With a coach by your side, you can create lasting changes and experience a greater sense of well-being. Explore options like yoga studios, meditation centers, or mindfulness teachers. Many community centers or gyms also offer these classes. Look for practitioners with good reputations and positive patient reviews. Ask about their qualifications, experience, and treatment philosophies. And don't hesitate to ask if they accept your insurance or offer sliding scale fees. Reputable websites like the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health offer a wealth of information on various holistic practices. Talk to friends, family, and your doctor for recommendations on holistic practitioners. Support groups or online communities focused on holistic wellness can also be valuable sources of information and inspiration. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel like you're just going through the motions. You might be eating right, exercising, but still battling stress, fatigue, and have a lack of purpose. This is where holistic wellness comes in. Put these principles into practice to create a sense of harmony in all dimensions of life. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe for more weekly holistic health topics. But most of all, stay positive and have a great day.